In this video, you'll discover how to scan a furniture item for a pack job using the Tagdd app. Once you've logged in, navigate to your home page, where all your moves are listed in the system. You have the choice to dive straight into the next job by clicking the green Next Step button, or you can explore all jobs for a specific move by selecting View All Jobs. On the Move page, you'll find 3 tabs: Scheduled, Started, and Finalized Jobs. We'll be focusing on a pack job here. You'll notice that multiple items have already been packed for this particular job. Let's get started with a furniture item. Click the Scan button located in the bottom right and scan your first tag tag. This action will direct you to the room where you're packing the item. You'll see a highlight on the room you were already in to make your job more seamless. If you find yourself in a different room, go ahead and scroll until you find it, or search for it using the search bar. Once you've located your room, click Next. In this example, we're going to focus on furniture, so select Furniture. You can also indicate if this is a high-value item. Click the Next button and proceed to provide a description of the item. Here, you can scroll through the list to find what you need to note or use the search bar. For this instance, we are selecting an office desk. It's also important to specify if the item requires disassembly. Proceed by clicking Yes for disassembly, then click the Next button. Since we are disassembling the item, we need to scan the different parts. Click Add Part and scan your next tag. Now, we need to identify what type of part this is for the furniture. It might be a component of the furniture you've disassembled, or the screws or hardware required for reassembly. Here, we'll note that it is a piece of furniture, specifically a drawer within the desk. You can also capture an image of the item by clicking the green Take Photo or Video button. In the upper right, click the plus button to open your camera. Hit the camera button to take a photo, then click Next. Save that picture, which will now be associated with the item name and the tag number you've entered. We're going to add another part, so scan your next tag. This time, we're categorizing it as hardware. You'll add it to a parts box, which can either be pre-existing or a new one that you scan. Next, add the item to our parts box 3659 and provide a description of these parts. They're hardware. You can either take a photo or simply click Save. It's now recorded that you have hardware item 3658. Click Next, as we've organized all our parts. Here, you need to indicate any exceptions, such as if the carrier disassembled the item or if the mechanical condition is unknown. Click the Next button. If there are any damages, note that as well. Add damage by clicking the green button. Next, specify where the damage is located, such as on the top edge, then click Next. You can describe it as chipped and add a photo. Click the plus button at the top to capture a photo, then click Next. Click Save. You'll now have a photo of the damage and detailed notes. Click the Save button. You'll see what we just added. Item 3656, which is an office desk. A small red mark indicates damage. You can see the different parts associated with that furniture item, such as the drawer and the hardware. To the right, it's noted that the hardware is in parts box 3659. Click on it to view more information and add any additional observations or details about the piece. And that's all there is to adding a new furniture piece, handling disassembly, and documenting any damages in a pack job for your move in Tagdd.